4th of July weekend fireworks on Smith Mountain Lake are back on following a cancellation of the long-standing tradition. Today, Mitchell's Point Marina announced they'd host fireworks on the water on Sunday, July 4th. The Saunders Volunteer Fire Department typically hosts the show, but last week they announced that they didn't have enough time to fundraise this year because of COVID. Mitchell's rallied local businesses to raise the money and pull it all together at the last minute.
Stepped up to the plate, and along with the whole community here at the lake and the Craddock Creek area, and we had a list of at least a dozen businesses that stepped up and donated money and got it done, and we're going to be able to donate a large chunk of money to Saunders Volunteer Fire Company and Semper Fi and the America's Fund.
Mitchell's will also host fireworks on Friday, July 2nd, as previously scheduled.